everybody, this is Tech G back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be explaining to you exactly what augmented reality is. So let's get into it. In recent years, augmented reality has transitioned from a futuristic concept and technology with practical applications in various industries. Augmented reality, it enhances our perception of the real world by overlaying digital information onto our physical environment. In this video, we're going to talk about the concept of augmented reality, explain what it is, how it works, its history, applications, benefits, challenges, and future trends. All right, so first things first, exactly what is augmented reality? So AR, this is a technology that superimposes digital content such as images, sounds, and text onto the real world, enhancing the user's perception and interaction with their environment. Now, unlike virtual reality, which creates a completely immersive digital experience, AR, it blends digital elements with the physical world, allowing users to see and interact with both simultaneously. And here are the key characteristics of augmented reality. So first, there's real-time interaction. So AR applications, they interact with the real world in real time, enhancing the user's experience without significant delays. Then there's contextual awareness. So AR systems use contextual information, such as location and environment, to provide relevant digital content. And then there's enhanced perception. So by overlaying digital information onto the physical world, AR enhances users' perception and understanding of their surroundings. All right, next let's talk about how AR works. So AR technology relies on a combination of hardware and software components to deliver digital content that seamlessly integrates with the physical world. So here's a breakdown of how AR works. So there's the hardware components such as cameras and sensors. So AR devices, they use cameras and sensors to capture and analyze the physical environment. And these include depth sensors, accelerometers, gyroscopes, and GPS. There are displays. So AR content is displayed on screens such as smartphones, tablets, AR glasses, and heads-up displays. And these devices project digital information onto the user's field of vision. And then you have processors. So powerful processors are required to handle the real-time analysis and rendering of AR content. And these processors manage the complex calculations needed for object recognition, tracking, and rendering. Then there's the software components, such as computer vision. So computer vision algorithms, they process the data captured by cameras and sensors to recognize and track objects in the environment. And this allows AR systems to understand the physical world and overlay digital content accurately. You have AR software development kits. So SDKs such as AR Kit from Apple and AR Core from Google, they provide developers with tools and frameworks to create AR applications. And these SDKs include libraries for object recognition, motion tracking, and environmental understanding. And then you have what is called a rendering engine. So the rendering engine, this generates the digital content and integrates it with the physical environment in real time. And it ensures that the digital overlays appear seamlessly and interact naturally with the real world. And here's an example of augmented reality operation. So a user points their smartphone camera at a specific location. The AR application uses the smartphone's camera and sensors to analyze the environment, recognizing objects and surfaces. The application overlays digital content such as 3D models or information onto the real-world view displayed on the smartphone screen. And then as the user moves their smartphone, the AR content adjusts in real time, maintaining its position and orientation relative to the physical environment. All right, next let's go over the history of augmented reality. So the concept of AR has a rich history with roots dating back to the 20th century. So here are some key milestones in the development of AR. So back in 1968, this was when the first AR system came online. So computer scientist Ivan Sutherland and his student Bob Sproul, they created the first AR system known as the Sword of Damocles, which is what you're looking at on your screen right here in this picture. And this early AR system used a head-mounted display to project simple wireframe graphics onto the real world. Then as we came into 1990, the term augmented reality was coined. And this was coined by a Boeing researcher by the name of Tom Caudell to describe a digital display used to guide workers in assembling aircraft wiring harnesses. Then in 1992, this was the early AR applications. So Louis Rosenberg, he developed the virtual fixture system at the U.S. Air Force's Armstrong Labs. And this system used robotic arms and stereoscopic displays to overlay digital information onto physical tasks, which enhance human performance. Fast forwarding to 1999, we saw the AR Toolkit, and this was an open source software library for creating AR applications. And the AR Toolkit enabled developers to create AR experiences by tracking physical markers in the environment. Then in 2008, we saw AR being implemented on smartphones. So the launch of smartphones with integrated cameras and sensors, such as the iPhone, this paved the way for mobile AR applications. And early AR apps such as Layer and Wikitude use location-based data to overlay information onto the real world. And then in 2016, we saw Pokemon Go. So the release of Pokemon Go, which is a mobile AR game, this brought AR into the mainstream, and the game's success demonstrated the potential of AR for entertainment and highlighted its mass market appeal. All right, so let's move on and talk about some applications of augmented reality. So AR technology has found applications across various industries, transforming how we interact with digital content in the physical world. So here are some notable applications of AR. So first, there's gaming and entertainment. So AR enhances gaming experiences by overlaying digital elements onto the real world. In games like Pokemon Go and Minecraft Earth, they allow players to interact with virtual objects in their physical surroundings. You can also find it being used in retail and e-commerce. So AR enables customers to visualize products in their real environment before making a purchase. And retailers that use AR apps to offer virtual try-ons for clothing, accessories, and home decorations. Next, there's education and training. So AR enriches educational experiences by providing interactive and immersive learning tools and AR applications that can overlay historical information onto real-world locations or simulate complex scientific concepts. It's also found in healthcare. So AR assists healthcare professionals in diagnosing and treating patients, and surgeons that use AR to visualize anatomical structures during procedures, and medical students use AR for training and simulations. You can find it in manufacturing and maintenance. So AR improves efficiency and accuracy in manufacturing and maintenance tasks. Workers, they can use AR glasses to access real-time instructions, visualize assembly steps, and identify components. It's in navigation and tourism. So AR enhances navigation by overlaying directions and points of interest onto the real world. And tourists, they can use AR apps to explore historical sites, museums, and landmarks with interactive guides. It's in marketing and advertising. So AR creates engaging and interactive marketing campaigns, and brands that use AR to launch immersive advertisements, product demonstrations, and virtual events. And it's also found in architecture and design. So AR allows architects and designers to visualize and modify building designs in real-world settings, and clients, they can walk through virtual models and make real-time adjustments. All right, so let's talk about the benefits of augmented reality. So the adoption of AR technology offers numerous benefits across different sectors. So you have enhanced user experience. So AR provides an immersive and interactive experience, making digital content more engaging and accessible. There's improved learning and training. So AR offers hands-on learning experiences, improved knowledge retention, and skill acquisition. And it also allows users to visualize complex concepts and practice tasks in a safe environment. There's increased efficiency. So AR streamlines workflows and reduces errors by providing real-time information and guidance. And it enhances productivity in tasks such as assembly, maintenance, and navigation. It offers cost savings. So AR reduces the need for physical prototypes, manuals, and training materials. And it lowers costs that are associated with errors, rework, and downtime. There's enhanced marketing and sales. So AR creates memorable and impactful marketing campaigns, driving customer engagement and sales, and it allows customers to experience products in a realistic context before purchasing. And then there's personalized experiences. So AR can tailor experiences to individual users based on their preferences, location, and behavior, providing a more personalized and relevant interaction. Now, despite its advantages, AR technology faces several challenges that must be addressed for widespread adoption. The first is technical limitations. So AR requires powerful hardware and advanced software to deliver seamless experiences. So ensuring high performance and low latency is crucial for user experience. Then there's content creation. So developing high quality AR content is time consuming and resource intensive. So creating realistic and interactive digital overlays, this requires specialized skills and tools. Another challenge is user acceptance. So users, they may be hesitant to adopt AR due to privacy concerns, usability issues, and the novelty of the technology. So educating users and demonstrating AR's value is essential. Then there's privacy and security. So AR applications, they collect and process vast amounts of data, raising privacy and security concerns. So protecting user data and ensuring secure interactions are critical. Another challenge is standardization. So, the lack of standardization in AR technology and platforms can hinder interoperability and compatibility. So, establishing industry standards is necessary for seamless integration. And then there's battery consumption. So, AR applications, they can be power intensive, which drains device batteries quickly. So, optimizing energy consumption is important for sustained use. Now let's move on to talk about the future trends of augmented reality. So the future of AR holds exciting possibilities as technology continues to advance. And here are some trends that are shaping the future of AR. So you have 5G connectivity. So the rollout of 5G networks, this will enhance AR experiences by providing faster data speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections. And this will enable more complex and interactive AR applications. They have wearable AR devices. So the development of lightweight and comfortable AR glasses and headsets will drive adoption, and these devices will offer hands-free and immersive experiences for various applications. You have artificial intelligence integration. So AI will enhance AR by enabling more sophisticated object recognition, contextual understanding, and interaction. And AI-powered AR applications will offer smarter and more personalized experiences. You have enhanced collaboration. So AR will transform remote collaboration by enabling users to interact with digital content in shared virtual spaces. And professionals, they can work together on projects, conduct virtual meetings, and provide remote assistance with AR. You have augmented reality in retail. So retailers will increasingly leverage AR to offer personalized shopping experiences, virtual try-ons, and interactive product demonstrations. And AR will become a standard tool in e-commerce and brick and mortar stores. You're going to have integration with IoT. So the combination of AR with the Internet of Things, this will create more interactive and connected environments. And AR can visualize IoT data in real time, enhancing applications in smart homes, cities, and industrial settings. Next, there's AR in education. So AR will continue to revolutionize education by providing immersive and interactive learning experiences. Virtual classrooms, interactive textbooks, and AR-based simulations will become more common. There's going to be some healthcare innovations. So AR will further advance healthcare by improving diagnostic tools, surgical planning, and patient education. And AR applications, they will enhance telemedicine, providing remote consultations with interactive visual aids. Then you have cultural and social experiences. So AI will enrich cultural and social experiences by offering interactive museum exhibits, augmented tours, and immersive art installations. And social AR applications will enable users to share and experience content together. And then you have advancements in AR development tools. So improved AR development tools and platforms will make it easier for developers to create high quality AR applications. Enhanced SDKs, frameworks, and software will streamline the development process and expand AR's capabilities. All right, so to wrap all this up, augmented reality is transforming the way we interact with the world by blending digital content with our physical environment. From gaming and entertainment to healthcare and education, AR has a wide range of applications that enhance user experiences, improve efficiency, and create new opportunities. Now, understanding the principles, benefits, and challenges of AR is essential for leveraging this technology effectively. And as AR continues to evolve, staying informed about emerging trends and best practices will enable organizations and individuals to harness its full potential. So whether you are a developer, business leader, educator, or enthusiast, embracing augmented reality can open up a world of possibilities. And by implementing AR thoughtfully and strategically, we can create richer, more interactive, and engaging experiences that bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds.